Hi darlings, welcome back to my channel. How are we? Hope you're all well. If you want to see how I created this look, I actually show you this time. Yeah, if you want to, well, I didn't show you the base, I showed you the eyes because the focus is this pigment right here. Don't know if you can tell, but it just like shifts from kind of like a pink to like a goldy green. It's just beautiful. So if you want to see how I did this and you're intrigued, keep watching. So this is day 2 of filming with my new camera, and I'm trying it basically with my one ring light because I just think that works best. I had 2 on yesterday and it just washed me out and I just didn't like it. So yeah, one ring light, and I've gone back to filming on my normal video instead of cinematic mode. So hopefully this looks a little bit better. I've kept my black backdrop. I've put another sheet behind it so that the light can't shine through as much. I was going to do it on the white one, but I just can't be dealing with the stress. So today I'm just going to do something super simple. So today is Sunday and I've got loads of cleaning to do. I can't be bothered. It's coming like nearly 3 o'clock and I think I'm at work at like 8 o'clock tomorrow or something. So I've got to go up at 6 o'clock. But yeah, I just thought I'd do something nice, something simple, and yeah, just chill. So I've been meaning to use this pigment from Nikkia Joy Cosmetics for the longest time. I know that I'm kind of like banging on about this brand, but there's just loads of products and stuff that I've been wanting to try and wanting to film with that I just haven't really got the chance to yet. So I'm going to be filming with this today, and it's basically the shade Veil, and it's kind of like this pinky, like, I don't know what kind of colour it is, it's a weird one, but it's basically a duochrome. So this one is like 2 shades, whereas the chroma shifts, they're like more than 4. So this, let me kind of show you and I'll swatch it and then we're going to get it on our eye. So this is kind of like, it's basically a pink, I don't want to say glitter, but that's kind of like, it's kind of like that vibe. So it goes into like a pink and then into like, I want to say like a green, not a green, but like a bluey, goldy green. It's so like, it's just a strange colour, but when it's on the eyes it looks beautiful. Nikkia Joy did a video with this a while back, I can't remember what video it was now, but it just looked absolutely stunning. There's me on my little viewfinder on my Apple Watch, because I found out that you can press start and record, take pictures, and you can zoom in. So it's literally saved me some money. So how exciting is that? I can zoom in and stuff from that. So let me get rid of that. So yeah guys, this is what we're going to be doing today. Just like kind of chilling, putting this all over the lid. I will be kind of like doing a brown blend, like just a really subtle like transition colour. I'm not really sure, but I just think this will look stunning, like kind of like tapped all over the eye. So yeah, let's get to it. So as always, just taking my base shade 2 from P. Louise. There's literally nothing changes around here. I might actually try zooming you in today. Should we try doing that and seeing what that's like? Okay, I've just zoomed you in, so excuse the state of my pores and stuff, but we're going to try this out. We're going to see what happens. So let's take some of the base shade 2, and I'm just going to start plonking that all over the eye. Now, I should have probably like glued my brows down, you know, like a laminated brow effect, but I'm just going to do a normal brow today because I just can't be bothered with the stress. Not that there is much stress doing that, but I'm just going to draw them in and we're just going to see what happens. I can always use lash glue, so there's that. I like to bring my base right out to the side as well, because I can never decide if I want to bring the shadow out. So I do like to kind of bring it right out just in case. And then I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and just diffuse the edges. Don't forget to let me know what the quality is like in the comments below as well, because I like to know these things. And then with this same fluffy brush, I'm literally just going to start tapping it in. And you can see how tacky it is and how like shiny it is. We want to get it to where it's kind of like not shiny, where it's like a little bit mattified, if you will. I've recently been using this base as concealer as well, and oh my god, it's so beautiful as concealer. So I will be doing some videos on that. If you don't already follow me on Instagram as well, please follow me on Instagram, because I do reels and stuff on there as well. So oh my god guys, look how far we can zoom in. I feel like this is too far, obviously, but how amazing is that? We can zoom right in. That's a bit scary, that. Let's zoom out. Okay, so I'm taking the P. Louise Pro palette. It's got all these shades in. I am going to do more video, like a video, and kind of use this palette more often. But I think for now, I'm just going to take... Okay, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this top shade, which looks really, really pink in the monitor, but in real life it's not. So I don't know what colour you're seeing. But I'm just going to take that and just kind of do like a little creasy moment, I think. We'll see. Okay, I'm just taking that on a ME1 brush, which looks like that. And then I'm literally just going to start kind of like blending it through, really. Just as like a kind of wash of colour. I'm going to keep it quite rounded. I wasn't going to do like a rounded look. I was going to kind of bring it out, but I've just decided to do like a little rounded look. I might do a wing as well, like a black wing. Who knows? Let me know if you do like this zoomed in kind of vibe. And we might keep it, but yeah, let me know. I feel like it could be good for when I'm doing eye looks like this, because you can really see the blends. You can see how the base performs with the blends. You can also see if I fuck up. Okay, so now I'm going to take this colour, which is just like a really light pink, and just like use that to diffuse kind of like outside here. So I'm going to use this brush. This is a Jessup 228 brush, just nice and fluffy. And then just really kind of like blur this out and just really diffuse it. What I am going to do is kind of like wing it out here a little bit, just so there's a bit of pink coming this way. I'm going right up to the brow. And then this is where you can kind of see that I kind of need to take this colour a little bit higher, which is what I'm going to do. So just dipping into that fair shade, and I'm just going to bring that colour higher. And then just going back into the pale pink shade, and just kind of making sure everything looks nice and blended. Okay, I'm happy with that. So I'm going to put on the shimmer. So I'm just taking my brush that I blended out the base with, and I'm literally just going to start kind of buffing everything out. And what you can do as well is take a tiny little bit of base and kind of just like carve out, kind of like create a tacky base for the glitter, which is what I'm just going to quickly do. It doesn't really have to be perfect, because it is going to be like kind of diffused. And then just taking the Kit Stars N31 brush, I'm just dipping into that pigment and then literally just tapping it on to the eye, the lid. And look at that, you can see already how it just kind of like transitions into like your different colours. Like look at that, oh, I love it. And I'm going to bring that quite high up into that colour, just so we get a really beautiful gradient. If you do want to try the Nikkia Joy Cosmetics pigments, guys, you can use my discount code, which is just Adam at checkout. They are honestly the best pigments I've ever used. They do have new ones coming out. I think they've literally just launched, so go check them out. I will be doing a video, like I said in my previous video, I will be doing a video on them. So stay tuned for that. But honestly, they are amazing. And all discount codes will be linked down below. So you can just see that absolutely beautiful pigment, how it just kind of like goes from like colours really. It literally looks like I've got a really deep like pink blend here, and then I've put like a shimmer across, but it's literally just the same shimmer. Oh, I love these pigments so much. So I'm just going to take the P. Louise paint. This is in the shade Rewhite. I was going to go in with like a pinkish shade, but I think the white would look quite nice. Okay, so just taking that on an angled brush, I'm literally just going to put it, oh, you can't even see. I'm literally just going to put it right on the waterline. And I am going to set this with a bit of shadow. You don't have to, because these paints do set. But if you want it to last longer throughout the day, setting it with a bit of shadow will make it last so much longer, like so. And these are safe for the eyes, guys. So just taking the white shade from the P. Louise Pro palette, I'm literally just going to set this in place. Okay, darlings, so I've just used my Beauty eyeliner. If you haven't used this eyeliner, it's so amazing. It's literally got such a fine applicator tip. It's just stunning, and I think it's like only 11 quid, which is amazing. Alright guys, I got distracted, so I kind of started doing my base already, but I've just used the P. Louise lashes, which are these ones in Blink in Beauty. So this is from the Pro course and collection as well. They're not my usual style. I kind of like to go a bit fluffy, a bit like thicker, but these are really beautiful because they're like really kind of like separate, if that's the word. They don't really suit my eye shape, but they look quite cute. This eye looks really nice, but the other eye I'm not too keen on. Don't even know if my wing is normal, like the right size. But I really wanted to do like a little bit of an inner corner wing, but I always mess it up. So I've decided not to. But while I'm doing my base, I'll show you. I thought I'd show you how I use the P. Louise base as kind of a blush. So I'm just going to take the shade Winter Rose, which is a beautiful, beautiful pink shade. And literally, I'm just going to put a couple to a few dots. That's probably way too much. But then I'm just going to take like a damp-ish blender and then just kind of like blend it in. Here we go. If you've never tried these bases as cream blush before, you're highly missing out because they're just absolutely stunning. Like, look how nice that's blending out. Oh, and then you can bring it right up into kind of like your temple to kind of like blend in with you know, the shadows. It's just such a beautiful way to get a gorgeous blush. This is really amazing as well on older clients. If you do clients, just stunning. Like, look at that. Oh, obsessed. So then just taking whatever's left on the blender. I've just done the other side, by the way, but just tap a bit on the nose, kind of like a bit on the chin, and then whatever's kind of left again. Some on the forehead. Look how just like natural that looks. It just looks absolutely out of this world. Alright guys, so I am almost done. I've just done kind of like powdered everywhere, put a bit of bronzer on, just touched up the blush with a powder just in places that I feel like I need to. Done my brows, added a little bit of highlighter here and there. So now what I'm going to do is go in with the P. Louise, what they call, lip liner in the shade Achievements. Just kind of like line it, and then I'm gonna just, I think I might put like a bit of a pinky gloss on. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do now. Okay, so that's the lip liner somewhat done. So now I'm gonna go in with Fenty Gloss Bomb in the shade Fussy. This is literally used and abused. I don't think I have a pinkier shade, but this should look quite nice. Alright guys, and we are done. What do we think? Do we like it? Do we hate it? Is there something I could improve on? Let me know what you think in the comments. Was this quality better? Did we like the zooming in parts? Let me know. That's what I'm here for, do you know what I mean? So yeah, do you want more talking in-depth videos? Tell me what you want. But yeah guys, I had fun doing this actually. It's been really nice just to sit back, kind of chill. It was quite easy, to be fair. I feel like the base looks beautiful. I haven't like put any highlighter around here just because I feel like the blush ties in with the eyes. I want the eyes to do the talking and everything tying together. So I feel like I've achieved that really well. I feel like my eyes look really sultry. Really, really like it. What do you think? So yeah guys, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell if you do like this. All the discount codes and stuff will be linked down below. And yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this. I hope the quality is better as well. I've got so much content in mind to like come out with. So yeah guys, I will catch you later. Have a good Sunday or Monday, Tuesday, whenever you're watching. And I will see you in my next video. Love you lots.